You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this busy London airport, the second busiest actually in London and in the UK. For more airport names, famous places also in around London, stay tuned. So the local pronunciation is as Gatwick. Alright, so quite commonly in England, T's sometimes are not pronounced, and it's definitely the case here. So it's not Gatwick. It kind of sounds pretty similar as if you said Gatwick. That wouldn't be completely incorrect pronunciation, but generally they say it as Gatwick. Gat, and there's then a bit of a gap in the sound. Gatwick. Gatwick. Gatwick Airport. How to pronounce London Gatwick Airport. And now you know. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon, and thanks for watching.